Hey YouTubers, it's Tony with Mayberry Mini Trucks. Today we have a vehicle that we recently imported from Japan, and it is a Mitsubishi Mini Cab. It is a 1995 4x4 5-speed, 17,469 miles, and it is $6,800. Let's go ahead and do our walk around. The antenna is in good condition, and it is very straight on the roof coming down. The door panel is 100% straight. No dings, no dents. The tire is in good condition, very good tread depth. And the side of the bed is also completely straight. The tailgate does have some dings and dents just from use. The plastic looks exceedingly good. Let's go ahead and undo the latches. So as we look at the bed looks to be in very good condition. It does have a dent, a small dent. Let's see, right there. Very small. Other than that, also, I see one right there. Other than that, it's just surface paint scrubbed off, and the bed is in excellent condition. Let's go ahead and look at the bed side. The bed side looks very good. Again, the tire here looks excellent. So no dings on the bedside. The rear of the cab looks to be in good shape. It does have a light with the switch. That's the switch right there. Roof is perfect. Mitsubishi has little weep holes. I don't know if you could see that right there. It does have a slight dent in the front right there. You could probably, hopefully, reach underneath and push that back out, just like somebody bumped into something. The bumper's in excellent shape. Let's go ahead and look at the interior. The door panel looks to be perfect. The driver's seat is in perfect condition. Passenger seat also is 100%. The passenger door panel is in great condition. The dashboard looks very good. The odometer reads 028152. I love the floor mats. These floor mats are only in Mitsubishis, and they have a lip all the way around. So if you get in your vehicle and you have muddy boots, they hold all the mud, and then you can pull the mat out wash them off. Let's go and take this for a test drive. Now, this mini truck, we did have to take and get a tune-up, and he went ahead and he replaced the spark plugs and adjusted the carburetor. We changed the oil filter, air filter, checked the front differential, rear differential, transfer case, transmission, radiator fluid, windshield washer fluid, and brake fluid. So this is ready to go. And again, this is a 5-speed, so it's capable of easily going 60 miles an hour. I think I'll take this down to the river bottom. Just to illustrate the top end. So this truck has incredible power, and it can easily go 60 miles an hour. I think I was above 60 in that last run there. If you're interested in this truck, it's a very good running truck, and our phone number is 336-777-9957. Our email address is sales@mayberryminitrucks.com, and our website address is mayberryminitrucks.com. So give us a call if this truck interests you. We'll be happy to let you test drive it. And going up this hill at well, my Zoom has engaged, so let me try to. So you can see that we're increasing in miles per hour, going up a steep hill. Sorry for the technical difficulty there, but yeah, give us a call or email us, and we do appreciate your interest.